So here we are at the OB30, our 30-inch contemporary wall oven by Fisher & Paykel. We're going to take a look at how to put this oven into Sabbath mode, and we'll do so by accessing the special features, and we'll do that by selecting both the left and right arrow. Now I'm in the special features section, so I'm going to scroll through. Now we have the option to have the light remain on during the course of Sabbath mode, or we can turn it off. For our case now, we'll go ahead and turn it off. So I'm just going to select off, and then hit accept. Continuing in the special features section, next up, I'm at Sabbath mode. So I'm going to select. This oven can be in Sabbath mode for up to 99 hours. So I'll go ahead and set it for 27. Accept. Now I'm being prompted to select my function, which will be bake. And then I have temperature control here, so you'll go ahead and select whatever fits best. Let's put this to 200. Okay. Then I'm going to hit accept, and the oven is in Sabbath mode for 27 hours. To go ahead and release it, I'm going to hold down the cancel button, and that will disengage Sabbath mode.